northern Schenectady and western Ulster counties. When, through Saturday morning. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: widespread rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 3 inches with locally up to 5 inches are expected within the watch area as Debbie crosses the region. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Tornado Watch number 617, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in New York: Albany, Columbia, Fulton, Greene, Montgomery, Rensselaer, Saratoga, Schenectady, Schoharie, Warren, and Washington. Remember, the tornado watch means conditions are favorable to the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later signals and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 617 has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Albany, Columbia, Fulton, Greene, Montgomery, Rensselaer, Saratoga, Schenectady, Schoharie, Warren, and Washington. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Albany County and east central New York, Greene County and east central New York, Schoharie County and east central New York, northern Ulster County and east central New York, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cobleskill, Hunter, Jefferson, Woodstock, Windham, Middleburg, Gilboa, Summit, Schoharie, Rickmanville, Prattsville, Sharon Springs, Preston Potter Hollow, North Blenheim, Livingstonville, Preston Hollow, Breakabine, Lanesville, Phoenicia, and Woodland Valley Campground. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.